สวัสดีค่ะเจนนะคะ Hi everyone, Jane here from Jenny and Teddy. Today I put makeup on. How was it? I just want to talking about my new bikini top, and I'm so excited to show you. They are so cute, and I'm sure if you make it and wear it, will be so cute on you. I have a step-by-step video tutorial for this bikini top as well, and actually this bikini top is not a new pattern, but I just make a new video tutorial for this one. So the structure is the cup is made from single crochet, which is very easy, and the edging of the cup, I don't know the border or the edging, I'm not sure. It's made from chain and single crochet in the chain. This is how easy it is, and the body is a bit like the less, maybe it's pretty less. And it's very easy as well. The size available from small, medium, and large. In the example in the tutorial is for size small, for my size, and I think it fit up to for small size it's a 32A, B, 32B, and 32C. And that's all for today. I just want to talking about the new top that I'm so excited about it. Thank you for watching.